Hi, I'm Lanae Bump, Community Nutrition Instructor for Michigan State University Extension in Antrim and Kalkaska County. Here in northern Michigan, we have a lot of variety of local fruit. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a recipe using whatever produce you have on hand. Since blueberries are in season in my area, that's what I'm going to use today, and we're going to be making blueberry yogurt pops. Here's a little pro tip for you. If you have an abundance of fruit and you don't want it to spoil, pop it into the freezer. It's a great way to make your fruit last longer. It'll help save those food dollars, and it goes great in many recipes, like the one that we're using today. So I'm gonna get washed up and I'll meet you in just a second.
Here we've got all the ingredients we need to make our blueberry yogurt popsicle. About a cup of blueberries, frozen, about 4 ounces of yogurt, I've used vanilla here, and then about 1/4 cup of milk. Now you could also use juice here to replace the milk if you wanted it a little bit sweeter. First, pour your blueberries into your blender. Add your milk on top, followed by your yogurt of choice. Make sure your blender is secure before you get started. Give it a good blend, making sure all ingredients are combined. Pour your mixture into an ice cube tray for a small treat or a cup for a larger treat. Your final step is to create a handle for your blueberry yogurt popsicle. I've used spoons. You could also use a popsicle stick or even a straw. Get creative. Freeze for at least 2 hours.